When it comes to your health, choosing the right partner matters, and today we're challenging two major players, Kaiser Permanente and Clover Health. On one side, Kaiser Permanente, known for its integrated care model. On the other, Clover Health, focused on tech-driven Medicare Advantage plans. Forget the flashy ads, let's break down what really sets them apart. We'll rate each category, tally the points, and reveal which option truly delivers better for you. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, here's the game plan. We're going to compare Kaiser and Clover across price and value, coverage and network, technology and experience, member satisfaction, and yeah, that all-important flexibility. So whether you're looking for savings, convenience, or just want fewer headaches at the doctor, let's see how these two measure up. Alright, let's kick things off with price and value. So with Kaiser Permanente, you get those nice, predictable copays, especially with their HMO plans, and honestly, the way they integrate everything can help keep certain costs down. And it's kind of a but, you're usually looking at higher monthly premiums, and if you need something out of network, your wallet might feel the burn. Now, flipping over to Clover Health, they come in hot with pretty competitive premiums, especially on their Medicare Advantage plans. Some of their options have zero or super low copays, which is like music to anyone's ears. The catch? If you do wander outside the network, costs can get unpredictable. Overall, though, Clover tends to take the cake here, especially if price is your top priority. Now for coverage and network. Kaiser is basically famous for this. They've built a seriously broad, integrated system where your doctor, your pharmacy, your hospital, it's all one big family. Their preventive care coverage is top-notch, which is something I just love. Downside, you are married to Kaiser locations, stray from their facilities or doctors and things get tricky. Clover Health, on the other hand, offers a pretty big provider network in the areas they serve, and some plans even let you go see out-of-network docs. The problem is, their network can still be a bit limited compared to bigger, traditional insurers, plus they're a little more regional. Honestly, Kaiser just feels more solid here, thanks to their all-in-one simplicity and coverage depth, they edge it out. Alright, tech and experience, I'm excited for this one. Kaiser has their own strong digital game. Their app is actually super handy for booking appointments, messaging your healthcare team, doing everything we expect in 2024. But some digital features are only for Kaiser members, so you might get a bit of FOMO if you're not in their ecosystem. But then you look at Clover Health and they're really leaning into technology in a big way. Stuff like AI-powered care management and their Clover Assistant tech that helps doctors actually personalize your care, it's pretty wild. But yeah, the experience can vary a bit depending on your plan and where you live. Overall, though, Clover's innovation puts them just a notch ahead in this category. Oh, and here's something cool, did you know this? Kaiser Permanente actually started all the way back in 1933 as a healthcare plan just for construction workers building the Hoover Dam. Talk about humble beginnings. Member satisfaction, this one's always interesting. Kaiser gets some of the highest ratings around, like year after year. We're talking top marks in national surveys. People just seem genuinely happy once they're in. If you venture outside their core service areas, the reviews get a little spicier, not quite as reliable. Now, Clover does offer cool touches like a personal care navigator on certain plans, but there have been mixed reviews on their customer service. Sometimes it's great, sometimes it's, well, not. Between the two, Kaiser definitely wins for overall member happiness and consistency. Flexibility, this is a big one if you travel or just don't like being boxed in. With Kaiser, it's super streamlined as long as you stay in their network. Honestly, it's almost too seamless. The problem is, step outside the Kaiser bubble and your options dry up fast. Clover is much more flexible in that you can access a broader network with some of their plans, and the Medicare Advantage PPO and HMO choices can fit different lifestyles. There's a catch though, Clover isn't everywhere, they're only in certain states. Even so, their broader network options make them the more flexible choice. So, if we stack up the scores, here's what it looks like. Kaiser dominates on coverage and member satisfaction, while Clover shines when it comes to price, tech innovation, and, yeah, that all-important flexibility. Both have their quirks, so the winner really depends on what matters most to you. Okay, so here's my take. If you want that all-in-one care and you value top-notch satisfaction, that sort of peace of mind, Kaiser is hard to beat. But if you're tech-savvy, hunting for better value and want more freedom with your doctors, Clover's the one to look at. Just pick the one that lines up with your life and you can't go too wrong. If you found this comparison insightful, stick around or hit follow for more health plan breakdowns. I'll be here to help you make sense of all your healthcare choices.